Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to adjust the mirrors in your Model Y. Check it out. Alright, so we have the screen in the center, and again I'm in my driveway, that's why I'm not buckled, but just so I can show you, we're going to click on the car icon at the bottom, and then we have a little menu for adjustments. You have the mirrors and the steering wheel, and we're going to click on mirrors. So right now it says left, and we're going to follow the directions. We're going to use the left little turn adjuster, and we're going to push out, push in, push up, push down, and get our mirror exactly where we want it. And once the left is adjusted, then you go back to your screen and you can now click on right. And you, again, use the left side adjuster. So we're gonna use the left. I don't know if you can see it, but we can turn this way, to the left, up, or down. So it's very simple. All right, so back to this screen. Underneath the left and right adjustment, you also see options for mirror auto tilt and mirror auto fold. And you can actually turn these off and on just by clicking on it. I like these on. The auto tilt automatically tilts your mirror down when you have your car in reverse, so you can see the ground. And also you can see other cars around you. The mirror auto fold folds your mirrors in whenever your car is parked and locked. So I'm going to put my car in reverse, and you've learned how to do that before, but I want you to see the mirror, so you'll notice how the mirrors tilt down so you can see the ground. And there you go. And then as I put it in drive, it automatically tilts back up. Now, as far as your rear view mirror, this is an old-fashioned kind, and you simply just kind of adjust it however you want it. There's not a fancy button to push for that. So just wanted to show you that as well. Anyway, hope that tutorial helped you out a little bit. The mirrors are pretty easy to adjust. It's just a matter of knowing where to go and how to do it. So take care. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.